I'm going to show you how to register at BcoinWise. First of all, if it comes from our team, you're going to receive this channel, which makes it easier for you that you can forward to other people. And you're going to use this link to join at the bottom. Once you've joined, you're going to replace those 4 numbers at the back with your numbers and send it to your people. But for now, you're going to register. Click on here, use this link to join at the bottom, the blue part. And now you must put in all your details. It must be real details. Your cell phone number has to be without a 0 in front. And that is going to be your username for this app. You're going to put your email address in. Let's see if I don't put an email address in. It's accepting that. Okay, then your address. The postal code is important. Remember to put that in. Now you've got 2 options to choose who you're going to join under. The referral link is already there because that is the blue part you clicked on. Otherwise, you can click on mobile number and put a cell phone number in without the 0. But here, you've got the sponsor's referral, you are happy. Now you're going to choose a password, which is 8 letters long. It's got to have a capital letter. So you can say name at 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it turned green. It's got a capital letters, it's got small letters, it's got names, numbers, and it's got a different sign, at, equals, whatever. And then you're going to confirm that at the bottom. Okay, so your passwords match. Now you're going to see here at the bottom, I've read and agreed to privacy policy. You're going to click on that block and you're going to say sign up. You can save it to your phone if you want to. Now it's asking you to make a payment. And as you can see, your reference will be your cell phone number without a 0 in front. And it will say 27. So use this exact details and make an immediate payment. And then you're going to WhatsApp it. You will see in the channel what WhatsApp number you need to use. So we're going to say continue. It says at the top, registered success. You're going to close the app and then you're going to see you received a message saying that you are registered with CoinWise, and now you must go log into Cellbucks, and it's going to give you a number. Write that number down because you will need to use it every time you go into Cellbucks. So now I'm going to click here on the HTTPS at the bottom because now I'm going to register with Cellbucks. It says at the top, log into Cellbucks. You're going to click there. And you're going to put in your username. Remember, it's the 27 without the 0, and then your cell phone number. And then you're going to type in the number that your SMS said. And then you're going to log in. Log in. You can see at the top there's a little line starting. So it means it's busy to go in. So just give it a chance. There it goes in. You can save your password if you want to. I'm going to save it. It makes it easier. And here you can see when you've started earning. On my husband's account, we already started earning, so it's exciting to see. You get paid every Friday as soon as you've got somebody that joined before Wednesday, 5 o'clock. Okay, so you've got this app. You can go onto the burger bar here at the right side. And you can see there are options how to top up, how to transfer, to create a voucher. I will make videos on that later on. So now we want to make sure that we can go log on to our CoinBWise because we want to get your reference number. So how are you going to do that? We're going to log out here. Okay, I'm just going to close. Okay, so now you want to go and get to the apps on your phone. These are the 2 apps. You have to request them from, if you wanted to save it on your home screen, you have to request the 2 apps from the person that told you about the business. So I'm going to open up BcoinWise. It's an APK file you cannot send to somebody, you can only forward it to somebody. So you need to ask us for it. So you're going to click on it and you're going to say open. Do you want to install this app? Then you're going to say install. Then you say, don't send it this time, it's fine. I recognize it, I understand it, it's fine. It will install it. It is done. Now we're going to download Cellbox. So we're not going to open it now, we're going to say done. We're going to go to Cellbox, we're going to say open, and we're going to say install, and we're going to say done. You're going to find them on your cell phone, you're going to hold on them, and you're going to say add to home screen. Then we're going to find the other one again, hold on it, add to home screen. Now they're on your home screen. Click on BcoinWise. We want to see if we can click on it to go find your link. You're going to go on this burger bar at the top, and you're going to say log in. And your number, it's already got the 27 there. You're not going to put the 0, and you're going to type in your cell phone number without spaces. And this password is the one that you created, the one that's 8 digits long. You're going to say log in. Now let's log out here. Sign out. Do you want to sign out? Yes. You're going to close it here at the bottom, the Cellbox. You're going to say log in to Cellbox. It is your cell phone number is already saved here at the bottom, so I'm just going to click on there, and remember it's that 5 digits that I sent you on a message, and you're going to say log in. It's got those lines at the top, so it means it is opening, so just be patient. Okay, so we're just testing it. So when you wanted to see how much you got available, this is where you're going to go. Or you need to send your proof of payment to this number, and you're going to put your name, surname, cell phone number, and say proof of payment. And then once that is done, you're going to be able to go get your link number. And how you're going to get that link number is you're going to go to your home screen where you saved the app. You're going to open it up. Type your cell phone number in without the 0. And then you're going to put the password. Remember, it's the one that is 8 characters long that you created yourself, not the one that was sent via message. You're going to say log in. Logged in successfully. You're going to press on the burger bar at the right hand side. You're going to go to settings, and there is your personal link. So you're going to click on it, copy it. You're going to go to your WhatsApp, and you're going to paste it. And that is your reference that you use in the channel. So that's your reference. You're going to copy the channel that was sent to you if you're part of the team. You're going to paste it, and you're going to take that number out that is there, and you're going to just simply type in your number. And that is the channel that you send to people. I will be adding more videos, so make sure to go onto the view channel, and at the top you're going to see a button follow. So please follow that, because I'm going to add more videos afterwards that is going to show you how to use your voucher and all that. Okay, thank you.